Okay, students. So we discuss about the topic basics of mechanism. Uh, what first of all we discuss about the so what is meant by simple mechanism. So first we machine. So machine is a device which receives energy from transform into some useful works. Machine consists of a number of parts of body. So that is example IC engine, fan. So every machine have several number of parts. Right. Next, kinematic link or kinematic element. Okay, so kinematic, what is the kinematic link? The each part of a machine it consists of one link. So one link is relative to some other part. So that is means the kinematic link. So there are three types of kinematic types of link. So one is binary link and ternary link and quaternary link. So binary link consists of two nodes and ternary link consists of three nodes and quaternary link consists of four nodes. So, for example, for we taken as a respirating engine steam as an example for kinematic link. So here the crank is our link, and then conducting nut is a link, and then piston is a link. Cylinder is also a fixed link. So here the piston, so piston and piston rod, piston crosshead constitute as a link one, and then link two is connecting rod with a big and small end. Link three considers a crankshaft and a flywheel, and link four the cylinder. That is a fixed link. Next, resistant body. So a body is said to be a resistant body if it capable of transmitting the required force to a negligible deformation. So that means resistant body. Its characteristics should have a relative motion and must be a resistant body. Next is types of link. So types of link, the rigid link. So rigid link do not undergo any deformation. Example, connecting rod, crank. So these are the example for rigid link and flexible link. So the flexible link it's partially deformed in manner if any force act on the link, the body will partially deform. Example, belt, rope, and chain wires. And next one is a fluid link. So the fluid link is one which formed by having a fluid in a respectable and motion through a fluid by a pressure or compressor. Example, hydraulic press, jacks and brakes. Next one is structure. So structure is not there is no relative motion between the links are known as a structure. So in the assemblage of number of resistance bodies having a member known as members having no relative motion between them and mean for the carrying load. So it is used only for the carrying load. So that is example railway bridge, roof stress, machine frames, etc. Next, next we see about what is the difference between the machine and structure. So what is machine means? A part of machine move relative to one another. So machine is machine parts are related to one another, but structure do not move relative to one another. So machine transforms some useful energy, but structure there is no energy transformed into the useful energy. And the link of a machine may transmit both power and motion. So structure only carry the load. Next, we see about the kinematic pair. So the two links or elements of a machine in contact with each other is known as pair. So the two links form a pair. So that is a kinematic pair. Next, we see about the types of constrained motion. So, completely constrained motion, it is consists of degrees of freedom is one. So, here the example, the part having a square hole. So, the square bar is fixed into the inserted into the square hole. So, it has a degrees of freedom only into the direction, definite direction. So, the force is applied. So, only it moves only in the single direction. So, it cannot be able to roll or turning, right? So, okay. So, this is known as completely constrained motion. Next, engine. So engine, for example, engine, the piston and cylinder is the completely constrained motion. So if engine is if cylinder is fixed and piston is moved only in the only one in direction, same per specific definite direction, that is in respirating motion. Next, incompletely constrained motion. So it consists of degrees of freedom is two. So if a round hole is in a workpiece, so we insert a shaft. So in the shaft is have a two motions. One is rotating motion and sliding motion. So the degrees of freedom is two. So it is incompletely constrained motion. This is another example. Next one is successfully constrained motion. So successfully constrained motion means if for example the footstep bearing, the shaft is inserted into the bearing. So the load is applied on the shaft, so it's not able to turn, but turn. So it is a successfully constrained motion. Next, the classification of kinematic pairs. So first one is sliding pair. So sliding pair consists of guides. For example, lathe bed, so tail struck on the lathe bed, guide and shapers. So it forms a reciprocating motions. In this diagram, so in this animation, so the piston and cylinder, the piston is a sliding pair, and then turning pair. If a shaft is inserted in the round hole, a circular hole, so in the shaft able to turn and slide. So it's the turning pair. And the rolling pair is the element is a roll over the another fixed link, that is rolling pair. Example, ball bearing. Roller bearing is the example for the rolling pair. So screw pair means we turn the two elements of the pair is connected in such a way that one element is turned and another by a screw thread. So it is, if the element is having a screw, that is screw pair. Next, spherical pair. When the two elements of the pair are connected in such a way that the element in a spherical shape, so turn or swirl over the another fixed element. There is example the mirror. So vehicle mirror. There is example for spherical pair. So according to the type of contact, there consists of a lower pair and then higher pair. So lower pair means it is the two elements contact with the surface contact means that is the two elements of the pair have a surface contact with the relative motion take place. That is the lower pair, and then line contact means that there is higher pair. When the two elements of a pair have a line or point contact means that is higher pair. So in this cam and follower, so the cam and follower is the example for higher pair, and then gear there is also in there is a line or point contact, so there is example for higher. According to the types of closure, the self-closed pair, when the two elements of a pair are connected together mechanically in such a way that it required only for required kind of relative motion occur, it is known as self-closed pair. The force closed pair, if any mechanically not connected, the two elements are not mechanically connected. If the force is applied on the external force, some external force applied on the element, it is force. It is kept contact with the external for some external force, that is force closed pair.